Welcome to PlungeChill Official. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly and easily set up your PlungeChill Pod with the 1/3 HP chiller. Let's get started. What's included? Inside the package, you'll find PlungeChill Pod tub, support tubes, drain hose, air pump, 2 water hoses, 1/3 HP chiller, power cord, threaded seal tape, 2 connectors. Step 1. Assemble the tub. Start by inserting all 6 vertical support tubes into the sleeves inside the tub. Insert the rounded end of each tube first and push it all the way in until it's fully seated. Repeat this step for all 6 tubes. Next, inflate the tub's top air ring using the included air pump. Before inflating, make sure the inner valve cap is closed to prevent air from leaking. Once it's inflated, flip the top air ring outward. Continue inflating until the air ring feels firm and the tub reaches its final shape. Make sure the air ring is fully expanded, smooth, and free of any wrinkles or folds before moving on. Step 2. Install the hoses. Wrap the included waterproof thread seal tape around the threaded connectors to help create a watertight seal. Next, screw the threaded connectors onto the tub's water valves by turning them clockwise until they're firmly tightened. Insert one hose into the upper threaded connector and tighten it securely. Repeat the same process for the second hose. Double check that both hose connections are tight and leak-free. Step 3. Connect the chiller. Now it's time to connect the hoses to the chiller. Attach the upper hose to the upper port on the chiller and the lower hose to the lower port. If needed, use the included hose clips to secure the hose connections. Finally, plug the power cord into the chiller's power inlet. Before continuing, make sure all hose and power connections are secure. Step 4. Fill the tub. Fill the tub with clean water until the water level is slightly below the tub inlet port. Then fully open both water valves to allow water to circulate through the system. Step 5. Power on the chiller. Press the red power switch on the back of the device. The display will light up and begin flashing. Use the up and down buttons to select your desired water temperature. Within a few moments, you'll see water circulating through the system. Allow the chiller to run until the water reaches your selected temperature. You're all set. Your PlungeChill Pod is now fully assembled and ready to use. Enjoy your cold plunge, and thanks for choosing PlungeChill.